Hello everyone. So in the today's video, we are going to look at the solution to fixing a date in a variable as a string and then converting it into an actual date and displaying it. Now, since we are making changes in the original JavaScript code, we really do not need to validate it because we are the ones who are going to fix it in a variable. So let me just show you how it goes. Say, for example, my string is 26th of January. Now, you would understand that when you are typing the value in a variable yourself in the program, you are not going to make a mistake. So, if you omit the validation of SNAN, that is absolutely fine. But if you want to go ahead with that validation, kindly look into the previous video and you can apply the same model here. Only thing is, instead of reading from a text box, so this time we are not going to read from the text box. So a text box is not required. So I'll grab the value and I would convert it into a date using the new date, right? And the string A gets converted into a date. And then you can safely go ahead and display the value of the date. Now, date follows a very specific format. So internally, it is stored as the number of milliseconds. But when you actually look at this date, you'd be surprised because it is going to show you a lot of values. For example, one parameter is the weekday um, name that is abbreviated, the month name again that is abbreviated, the date number, if you can see, it's 26th of January, which was on a Wednesday, and the year 2022, that's what I have entered here. Beyond that, because dates do not go alone, they go with time. So if you do not mention the time, then the time would be taken as 000, which is the beginning of that day. So early morning 000 or the 12 o'clock time of the previous day is considered. So that's 000. And since my time zone is plus 5.5 for India, I'm going to get this here. Now, just to show you, if I entered a time period as well, say for example, right now it's 7 o'clock and say 45 minutes, and let us say 50 seconds. If this is what I have entered, you should actually, oh, I need to refresh. So you will actually see that time here. Now, as many times as I click on this button, it is going to be still the same value. It is not going to change for the reason that I have fixed a date in a variable, and this is what it is going to convert into a date. Now, there are three ways of working with dates. First is to read a date from the user that I showed in the previous video. Second is you fix a date. For some reason, you want a fixed date that marks as your boundary, and then maybe beyond that or before that, some sort of a validation can be done using this fixed date. And the third method is fetching the system date, and we'll do that in the next video. Till then, go ahead and go through all my videos, and I'll catch you up in the next video.